Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will be showing you a quick, simple and easy way to make Jamaican style rice and peas. So this should take you about 35 to 45 minutes to do this rice and peas. So for this recipe, you are gonna need just a few simple ingredients. So you're gonna need some salt, some dark red kidney beans, some coconut milk, some scallion or green onion, yellow onion, hot pepper, and garlic. And normally we add thyme to this as well, but I didn't have any time today. So these are just the simple ingredients that you can use to make your rice and peas. So you're gonna turn on your stove to a medium-high heat, and then you're gonna add 3 cups of water to your pot. So you're gonna proceed to opening your can of peas with a can opener, but the water that the peas is submerged in the can, we will not use that. We're gonna strain that and throw it out. We just need the peas from the can. And then we will add in our seasonings, our green onion, our yellow onion, our garlic, and also our pepper. We will also add that to the pot as well. And also add your coconut milk at this point. So you're gonna add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. Mine could not come out. It was too thick in the can, so I had to open up the can and take out about 3 to 4 tablespoons to add to the water. You're also gonna need to add a teaspoon of salt to the water as well. And once everything has been added to the pot, then you're gonna cover it and let it boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. So while you're waiting for that 25 minutes, in the meantime, you're gonna get your rice. So you're gonna get about 4 cups of rice and you're gonna wash it thoroughly. So I go in and wash it several times until the water gets a little bit clear than what you started out with. That's what you're looking for when you're washing your rice. And then once that is done and you meet your 25-minute mark, then you're gonna add the rice to the pot. So our peas, our seasoning, and our coconut milk has been boiling for about 20 to 25 minutes. I will then go ahead to add in the rice into the pot. And what I do, I normally stir the rice once I add it into the pot, just so that the rice can settle in the pot evenly. And then I will cover the pot and then turn the stove down to a low medium heat. So after 25 minutes, this is what our rice and peas looks like. So this is a quick, easy, and simple way to do Jamaican style rice and peas.